Pixieset pricing explained what you get for your money. Pixieset isn't just another photography platform. You won't believe how much it packs into one service. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only a client gallery tool, but the surprising truth is Pixieset offers galleries, online stores, and client management features all in one platform. Pixieset's pricing starts with a free plan, which gives you up to OG of storage and access to basic gallery customization. It's perfect for hobbyist photographers or anyone just starting out. The paid plans range from to per month depending on storage needs and additional features. For example, the Pro plan at per month gives you of storage, custom branding, and access to the online store to sell prints or digital downloads directly to clients. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the value of integrated e-commerce and client management. It can save hours compared to using separate services. Pixieset also supports custom domains, advanced analytics, and client proofing tools, allowing photographers to provide a professional experience from start to finish. You won't believe how much control you have over branding, gallery layouts, and download options, making it ideal for professional workflows. In conclusion, Pixieset pricing is straightforward, offering plans that scale with your needs. By understanding storage limits, branding options, and e-commerce features, you can choose a plan that maximizes both convenience and revenue potential. Whether you're just starting out or running a full photography business, Pixieset delivers excellent value for your money.